Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you the software we use to manage listing marketplace with your multiple Facebook accounts. So here is my software I'm currently using to manage and using multiple Facebook accounts. So first of all is account management. So in this function, you can add and manage a limited Facebook account that you want, and you can choose the category and select the account in the category and left click and to login. And the software will also open browser and log into the account that you choose. Okay, so in each browser you can zoom in like this and use it just like a normal browser. And this is the way that I manage and using multiple Facebook accounts. So I will go over our browser, and next to automate listing the marketplace, you need to prepare content. So I will go to content management, and here you can create the category to manage all the content. And if you need to add a new post, you will need to add post button. And in here you select category, select your type, you will select the marketplace, and you will enter the post title and the type of the listing. You can choose product for sale, vehicle for sale, or property for sale or rent. And in next you can choose the price unit, and you will enter the price in here. And next you will choose the product category, and you choose the condition, and you will enter the content in here and location also. And next you can upload your image or video that you want about your and next you can upload your image or video about your product, and you will receive to save your content. And after having the content like this, you will save, and you will go to post function, and in here you will choose post marketplace option. So first I will select the account that I want to go to post marketplace, and next I will set up the basic configuration. So first is the break time between two actions, I will set from 10 to 20 seconds. And next I will select the content about marketplace and will save. And because I just choose one content, I will need to choose two options about allow duplicate content between action and account. And next I will set up number of posts. Each account will post, so that's just one. And you can choose other option about hide post from friend or list more in group. And after everything set up, I press start and let the software do work. And after the listing is successful, I will go back to my account management and log into my account and check the post. So here is my list I just post. Okay, so basically I just show you the software where you to mass listing marketplace with your multiple Facebook account. Thanks so much for watching my video. If you need this software or more information, you guys can contact me my Telegram, WhatsApp, and don't forget to like, subscribe for my channel to see more video about how to make this software.